In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn text into video using HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a written script to a polished video with captions, all inside HeyGen's AI Studio. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen. From the results, click the official HeyGen website. You'll know you're in the right place when you land on the HeyGen app page. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your projects. Once you're on the Projects page, look for the option to create something new and click New Video. This takes you straight into the creation flow. Next, select Create in AI Studio. This opens the main workspace where you'll build your video. Think of AI Studio as your control center. Your script goes on the left, your preview sits in the middle, and your settings live on the right. Now type or paste your script into the left side panel. Keep your sentences clear and conversational, so the delivery sounds natural. If your script is long, consider breaking it into short paragraphs for better pacing. Avoid overly complex punctuation, and keep numbers written out when possible to ensure the voice model pronounces everything correctly. Give your script a quick proofread here. Fix typos, tighten phrasing, and confirm names or terms are spelled the way you want them spoken. With your script in place, it's time to add captions to your video. Captions improve accessibility and keep viewers engaged, especially on silent autoplay feeds. Look to the right side toolbar and open the Captions section. Turn on captions if they aren't already enabled. Choose a caption style that fits your brand or content. You can adjust font, size, color, background, and placement. For readability, pick a high contrast combination, light text on a dark background or vice versa, and keep captions inside the safe margin so they don't get cut off on smaller screens. If your video has multiple lines of text at once, reduce font size slightly and add a subtle background to maintain clarity. When everything looks good, your script reads smoothly and your caption style is set. You're ready to generate your video. Click the Generate or Render button to start processing. This may take a moment depending on length and settings. Once it finishes, play the result to confirm the timing, pronunciation, and caption placement match your expectations. And that's it. You've turned plain text into a complete video using HeyGen, from script to captions to final render, all in a few focused steps.